Hello programmer. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Hangman game with Python. First, we create the random model, import random. Then I copy and paste image of the Hangman stage I prepared. And I create a list async variable, create image and copy paste. Okay. Creates a while loop because we will have the user continue the game multiple times if he wants. Create while loop, comment true, and we write the name of our game at the top of the screen. Print Hangman game. Then we create a variable name word and write the words we want to into it. Write words. Write words. Use random choose model. For example, programmer. And info of the codes and terminal. Another, for example, telephone and numbers. Finally, predict right dictate. And we are grading variable name step because this will be up to show switch ways in the above my hanging figures. Step equal 0. Finally, we create a list for the prediction variable. Prediction variable creates list. And we open the new while loop and write through, make it infinitely. Create while loop, method true. We enter the code that makes the drawing of the stage appear on the screen, whichever stage we are in the Hangman game. Print image and step. Right. We create a for loop and use the symbol underscore for the number of letters in randomly choosing words, and underscore in the next steps. Create for loop. I char in enumerate words. We use an if loop to write the letters after the symbol. In the if loop, if the letter the variable in the predicted word is found the words, we write the letter. If not, underscore thing that will be printed. Print char in if prediction else underscore. And now we give the user right to guess the words. Answer inputs guess the words. We need the loop so we can check the guessed words. If the user's guess is the same as the selected words, we will print the message you won the game. Great. If block answer actual words and print you you have won. And break comments. Let's create another block. Create else block. And create a infinitely while loop in the else block. Create while loop through. Have him choose the letter in the word randomly. Write prediction and random renits 0 and line words. Then create an if block to compare it with the guess words. Create if block, not random, in prediction. Add the values that can enter the if block to our prediction lists. Prediction appends random. Nice. And break comments. By increasing the number of steps each runs, we provide the limit to loop. Step. If the number of steps is equal to last index number of the image list we copy and paste first, it's game over. Create if block. Step actual length image. Print you lost. And let's write our code to show the losing player which word is correct answer. Print retained words okay, and break comments. Finally, let's use the if loop. Let's hard choose the whether continue after the game is over, and we don't want it. Let's break the biggest loop with the break comment and the code. If not, yeah, actual inputs. Do you want to play again? Yes or no? Break comments. We check our codes. That's not a problem. Let's start game. For example, car falls. programmer, false, telephone, okay, terminal. You have won. Do you want to play again? Yes. Guess the words, numbers, programmer, and info of the codes, terminal. You have won. Try again. For example, cell phone. You have won. Finally, numbers. You have won. Our code is complete. Thanks for watching me. You specify your problems in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel.